Guys, so as you can see, it's a lot going on down here. Yeah, this is another update, I guess, on the storm. This is part 2. Big storm part 2. Yeah, here we, oh frick. Oh, dang. This is gonna be F5 rain. Dang. Okay, so I heard that down McCain, there's power outages everywhere. Just remember, it is not safe out here. It's not safe anywhere. You're never safe, no matter where you go. These things can always happen. That's why it's better to live. Oh, frick. Okay, so the storm is pulling stuff off, and yeah. The phone. Okay, guys, gotta go.